Okay, we are on the main stretch of highway, just south of the, or north of the church in Alaminos City. Main stretch of highway. The traffic coming at me is all headed towards Lucap Wharf, out towards the 100 Islands. We're kind of walking back into town here. Saturday morning at about 11:20. Grab it. Oh yeah. Mika's what? Like Micah's. The chicken there is really good. It's a rotisserie chicken. Yeah, we can grab one if you want. Okay. We don't have anything. We don't have anything planned for dinner, so yeah, let's grab one. Bring it home. Fresh rotisserie chicken. There we go. Mom's gonna make the score. Here's the price list. Micah's lechon.
Opo. Ay, wag na kuya. Micah's lechon.
Micah's lechon.
This is the best chicken I ever had.
Yep. I'm with you 100% on that.
250 pesos. Thank you po.
So there you have it. Fresh rotisserie chicken, 250 pesos for a whole. We are good to go. For a whole chicken. Now 250 pesos, about $5. Well worth it. Let's do that other crossroad by the that has the historic, yeah, kind of the historic building over by the whatever that courtyard is. Huh? Over by the courtyard where we pay the water bill. So yeah, the temperature is on the rise. Sun's beating down pretty good right now. Finagle my way around here. Pizza galore. Haven't done their pizza yet. We did. Okay, she says. Shows how much I remember. Oh. Okay, we had some at a birthday party, I guess. There's the church. A little side street. And this is that building I'm just so fascinated by. This one right here, I really like this building. Really cool. And this is like food stall haven over here. We've never been in there. Oops. Trying not to kill myself. We should walk around in there and check it out real fast. Want to look inside real fast? See what they have? I don't know if we... I just want to look inside and see what we got. I've never been in through here. Walked by a million times, but never came inside. So this is like a big ass food court, huh? Look at that. Nice. Of course, everybody's gonna stare at me. That's fine. So yeah, we're gonna come back in here and eat. It feels nice in here too. Nice little breeze. Pineapple juice. What's this place called? No name. Oh, Plaza Food Court? Something Plaza Food Court. Excuse me. There's that water building I always show in the other videos. Okay, now we're back out on the main drag. Over here, huh?
We're going inside.
Nah, we don't need anything inside here, I don't think. I gotta go over to the BPI.
Hindi ka lang kami nakapunta dyan?
Huh. Hey. Thanks. Okay. Are they open? Okay, we're here. There's our quick walk through town. And now it's time, I gotta use the ATM, so thanks for coming along, and we'll see you soon. All right, bye.